Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful bird. Firstly, I made a basic sketch with a pencil and then added those bright colors. If you like this type of drawing videos, please subscribe to my channel and press on the like button. Your like gives me more inspiration to draw more. Okay, get back to the drawing again. Look at the warm yellow body and the blue wings. At last, I drew the tree branch where the birds sit on, and at the end, I make a border line with a black pen to make it more remarkable. Let's comment down about the picture, what you thought about the picture. Okay, continue watching. See you in the next videos. Bye and try it yourself. Bye.